Look no further than the 2023 Ford F-150. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or a little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, adaptive cruise control. Get more out of a light-duty pickup than you ever thought possible. This F-150 is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.